Alright. No, I just dropped the chopstick. Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is Hiro, part of First Timers. And today we're going to be making a pretty simple Japanese dish called Tonpeiyaki. It uses pork, but since I'm out of pork right now, I'm going to be using ham instead. So you could call it Hampeiyaki. At the end, it looks kind of like an omelet, just with a Japanese flair. And I got the recipe from my mom. She sent it to me and she's like, "Can you make it?" And I'm like, sure, why not? So we're gonna give it a try. So check it out. The ingredients today is pretty simple. We just got a little bit of cabbage that I'm gonna chop up, 2 eggs, and then a little bit of ham here. So it's gonna go into that. I'm just gonna fry it. I already dropped the oil. I need to turn this on. So a little story while I'm doing this. When I was a kid, my mom used to cook Japanese food a lot, and as I'm growing older, I miss the taste of all that food. So it's what sparked the interest in me trying to learn this stuff right now. So that's the whole drive for it for me. I just want to learn it because, you know, I like Japanese food. Since I'm half Vietnamese, my mom, she learned how to cook Vietnamese food for my dad, because he has a very, I wouldn't say picky, but he's very stuck in his ways. Things taste differently to him. So like Japanese spices is not the kind of spice that you have in Vietnam, so it just tastes weird to him. So my mom, she learned how to make Vietnamese food. And not that I don't like it or anything, I just miss the old cooking. So I might as well learn it, right? It's a little story behind that. I just turned the heat down to low. Just add a little. Cooking, gotta prepare the 2 eggs. So you're supposed to leave this, spread the eggs at least half of the pan. Then you're supposed to squish the yolk so it flattens it out and spreads it. This separate. The more it spreads, the better, because then I'm going to end up folding it. So maybe I should have used a bigger pan, but it's alright. I'll make it work. Alright. No, I just dropped the chopstick. I can't find it. Oh no. Gotta put the ham down. By the way, you should keep this on low heat. You don't want to overcook it. I'm gonna put the cabbage on top. Slide the ham over. Just gonna let that cook for a little bit. This is kind of a breakfast menu. You know, some people like breakfast for dinner. That's what I'm making it. Alright, put the ham on top. Alright, now here's the part that's a little hard, or it can get a little hard depending on the side portions, because I'm going to be rolling this on top. So let's see how that goes. You guys can laugh. No worries. First timer chef here. Doing the best I can. Come on! You know what? Here, let me try something. I'm just gonna flip it. Don't fall. Oh, it's getting hot. Haha! Success! See how I was saying that it kind of looks like an omelet? It's kind of an omelet, but watch, I'll show you the Japanese flair to it. So, eggs pretty much cook quickly, so you can just turn off the heat. Don't need the fan anymore. Alright, let me get a plate. So what I have here is okonomiyaki sauce and QP mayonnaise. These combinations are pretty much used on the okonomiyaki pancake thing I was talking about, which I will show you a picture of. So let's decorate it. Almost looks like a pastry. It's that Japanese flair I'm talking about. Whoa, that doesn't look good. Whoa. Alright, not done yet. There's this thing called nori. It's a dried seaweed. You see them very commonly on sushi. But For this dish, we just didn't have it. Usually it's grounded really thinly, or very like almost like powder, not powder. I don't know how else to explain it, but it's something. If you've eaten Japanese food before, you've noticed it before. It's little grounded seaweed, and it becomes really fine. And I'm just doing it the manual way, not really ideal for what I wanted to do with it. But let's see how it comes out. It might be okay. So bear with me while I do this. You guys see that? It's supposed to be like thin, like really like small, like that guy right there, if you can see it. But it's gonna take me forever to do that, so I'm just gonna work with what I got. All right, so you guys can see. I'm just gonna decorate it. So I'm supposed to be able to sprinkle it all around. It just adds a nice layer of seaweed across it. These big flakes kind of take the whole image of it away. It bugs me, but it's okay. All right, I think that's enough. Okay. So you guys, that's Hampeiyaki. You can eat it with rice or over rice, or you can just eat it by itself. It's up to you. I'm probably gonna eat it with rice. All right guys, that's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was a short video and it was a pretty simple task, but you know, it's part of my culture, so I just wanted to just try it at least. I'll be the taste tester later. I'll tell you how it tastes. Most likely it's gonna be good because I'm a chef. So stay tuned. In the future, we're gonna be pushing out more of these kind of videos because I still want to learn more about all the Japanese dishes that my mom used to make when I was a kid, and at least I want to master those. Anyways, first timers out. Thanks for watching. Oh, and remember to subscribe. If you like what you're seeing, hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.